Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.
This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include heated seats, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, XM satellite radio, a leather interior, trailer wiring, tinted glass, a low tire pressure indicator, a rear parking aid, and this vehicle has fewer than 29,000 miles on the odometer. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Now that you've seen the car of your dreams, come see the dealer of your dreams. Sewell. Service, sales, and efficiency so obsessive, you'll want to pinch yourself.